Hi there, my friends. Welcome to this week's market analysis. Today is the 7th of August 2016. National Day is coming in 2 days, so I hope I can do something special for you guys and give you very good trading setups that you can trade right off coming Monday. So if you have been watching this space, you realize that I will be, my team and I, we do webinars, videos for you guys, free of charge every single week. And within the videos, we do not guarantee you guys that you make every single trade will be profitable. But along the way, there are very good setups which have netted us 300 to 500 pips easily every 2 to 3 weeks. So if you happen to like harmonics, you'd like to know more about harmonic trading, please always stay tuned to our videos, and I hope that you guys follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and on our website. So for this week, I'm going to analyze 4 different currency pairs for you. I'll be talking about the pound Aussie, the euro Aussie, the Swiss franc against the yen, and last but not least, the oil, crude oil. So let's start off by talking about pound Aussie. So what happened last week was there's NFP and most of the the dollar pairs, which euro dollar, Aussie dollar, pound dollar, it all came down. So going to next week, it's good that we try to avoid these pairs, because there might be correction after NFP. But if you are already in position and you will position well, like I did a short on Aussie and it is perfect, so I'll hold on to it. But if you have no positions on these dollar pairs, I would suggest that you enter on only a retracement and do not just jump into the market on Monday just because you are very excited. Yep. So for pound Aussie, what I found is that I found a bad pattern that has completed just after NFP. And looking at the price action around the PRZ, I noticed that price has started to turn, and I'm willing to bet my money on it next week upon a retracement. So the thing about harmonic trading is a lot of people feel that, oh, it's very fanciful, you draw triangles and you call it tons of animal names. But the fact is that it actually is a strategy which it combines the work of various famous technicians like Elliott Wave, sorry. So it has elements of support and resistance in it. Yes, price action, candlestick pattern. So the beautiful part is that it's able to simplify all these different techniques by all these technicians and combine into one simple to understand methodology. So let's see if you can understand what I'm going to share with you over the next 5 to 10 minutes. So for this pound Aussie pair, I saw a bad pattern, and this is the zone that we call the potential reversal zone, which is called the PRZ. Yeah, just let me highlight to you. Yep, this blue zone here is the reversal zone. So what to do in this zone here? We expect price to reverse. So if I zoom in further, you realize that this full zone has not been tested. Okay, the zone is between 86 and the 2 mark. So next week, what will happen is that I will wait for the price to come down and touch this 1.7059 or 1.7060. Once it touches this zone, I will be likely to go long on this pair. So the next question is, do you have a stop loss and a profit target? Of course we do. We are not confident, 100% confident that every trade will turn out well, but to protect against that, what we do is that we always put a stop loss for every trade that we do. So for this pair, expect the stop loss to be a little bit wider than usual. So it's if you happen to enter at 1.7060, your stop loss should go about 100 pips lower at 1.6950. This will be a stop loss. Profit target, how do you determine? Draw it from the high to the low. And the 382 is your first level of profit. Okay. So we are using a stop loss of 100 110 pips to fight for a potential profit of 300 pips. It's almost a 1:3 risk to reward. If you take trades like this, if you just happen to be correct, probably 4 out of 10 trades, you will be profitable. This is the profit target 1. Profit target 2, stretch it to the 618. And in this case, you'll be aiming for about 450 pips of profit, which is 1:4.5. So how do you manage this profit target 1 and profit target 2? How do you handle your positions? Usually when I enter the trade, my maximum risk per pair will be 2%. So if I were to split it into 2 tickets, it would be 1% each. So once the price reach profit target 1, one of my tickets, I will square it off. Second ticket, I'll let it run, but I will shift the stop loss to my entry so that it becomes a risk-free kind of trade. And this is how I'm gonna trade the pound Aussie. The bad pattern, and I love it totally. Okay, the second pair I'm looking at, let me go through Euro Aussie first. Euro Aussie has completed a shark pattern that looks like this. Shark pattern is one of the least understood pattern that people who trade harmonics, most of them they read the PDF by my mentor Scott Carney, but they do not understand because it wasn't, he did not review every single secret in that PDF that he released. So because I got to I would say mingle with him for about 6 days 5 nights in Poland just in March this year. So we are very, very good friends now, and he took on a very strong mentorship role in me, and he taught me everything that I need to know. So if you want to know more about the shark pattern, I think there's no better person to go to and learn from other than Scott Carney, which is us, me. I love the shark. I call myself the shark trader. So for the shark pattern, it looks like this, and this is the zone that we call it the potential reversal zone. So what happens next week is that if it comes back to the blue zone, I'm likely to go long, and this will be my stop loss and target profit. Stop loss is at the 113. Profit target, I have to withdraw it. I will draw it from the C to the D point. Yep. So the 382, as per the last few trades, is for the sharp pattern, my first target profit is the 50 mark. I'm trying to make 193 pips. I'm risking about 50 pips. So it's almost a 1:4 risk to reward. If this turns out well, look at this, look left, structures. Structures will be my profit target. And if I get lucky, it might go all the way up to the 886, which is my profit target too. Ta-da! Profit target 2 will be a home run trade. I could net about 340 pips off it, off a 50 pip risk. 1:7 risk to reward. Keep doing things like this. Hit rate could be as low as 50% or 45%. It doesn't matter. You're trying to go for good risk to reward trades. Long term, you're gonna be profitable. Follow your rules. Do not let all this fluctuations in the market affect you. Systematically know when to shift your stop loss and when to adjust your profit targets, and you will do well. This is the power of harmonic trading, and it has been proven to be effective over the last 100 over years. Actually, in the last 10 years, it got really, really popular. If you go on tradingview.com, which is where my team and I, we have our accounts there. Let me open up TradingView. Follow us, follow Scott Carney, follow me, follow my partners Sneha and Boon Hui. So just look for me. Just go and search for the user Terry Harmonic Trading, and you actually get to see all my ideas published here. I'm not super active here. I have about 200 followers. I usually blog about twice a week, and my setups are usually profitable. So if you want more ideas, please follow me. Okay, back to the charts. So this is how I'm gonna trade Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie. Take note, Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie is correlated with the Aussie pair. So try to choose one or split your risk of 2% into 1% for each pair, and minimize your risk to maximum of 2% per trade, and you will be safe. You do not want a 4% drawdown just because of one bad trade. Yeah. Okay, thirdly, I'm talking about the Franc Yen. Franc Yen is completing a bad pattern around this 886 level. 102.87. This is the zone that I'll be watching really closely next week. If it comes down here, I will be interested to go long on the Franc Yen. And this is the zone that I'm watching very closely like hawk. So okay, 102.71 and 102.87. So it's a 20 pip kind of range. If it comes down here, this is where I'm likely to go long. Profit target and stop loss. This is my profit target. Oh, my stop loss is here. I'll put it around the 113. So it's a 80 pip stop loss around there for a potential profit target of 240 pips. So it's a 1:3 risk to reward. This profit target 1. Again, profit target 2 is the 618, which your target could stretch to about 386 pips. Yep, 80 for 380 is a 1:2. Is it 8? No, 8 times 8 is 40. No, 6. 8 times 6. No, 8 times 5. Almost 1:5 risk to reward. So this is the Franc Yen. We hope it comes down, and yeah, and we're gonna monitor the RSI. Make sure it hits oversold with some form of divergence. This will give us a better probability of winning. Last but not least, I want to talk about the oil. Oil usually, it goes together with, it moves together with the commodity pairs like Aussie, the Kiwi, and the Canada. So what happened last week was, after NFP, the Aussie Kiwi went down, but the oil remains strong. But it's still at this critical level which I'm interested to short. So this shark pattern will look like this. Ta-da! And we are at the zone here where we want to go short on this pair. But we have to wait for some form of price action confirmation. What kind of confirmation are we waiting for? Next week, I hope that the price challenges the high here and immediately rejects and closes below this blue zone. That's my trigger. And that trigger happens, I'm gonna enter short with my stop loss just above the 113 zone. Pump. This level here. So I'm risking about 30 cents and I'm trying to profit. Okay, for the shark pattern, my first target profit is the AC 50% retracement. And it looks like this. Okay, so that's my stop loss, and this is my profit target. It's about $1. So 30 cents for $1, 1:3 risk to reward. Oh no, first target is 50%. So it's a 120. 1:4 risk to reward for TP1, and 86 is my second profit target, and I'm trying to make about $2.30. Yep, 2.30. 30 cents for 2.30. 1:7 risk to reward on the second TP. Okay guys, that's all I have for you for this week. If you are interested in what we have to share with you, we have a few ways that you can connect with us. The easiest way is to go to our event, our Facebook page, which is here. Go to the website. I'm new here. Go to our upcoming Forex seminars. We have the online and the offline version. So let's check it out. If you want to go for our webinar, click on this link, Live Harmonic Trading with HarmonicForex. This is a webinar. Go-to meeting, online meeting. If you'd like to meet us live, on the 18th of August, we have a live seminar in Singapore. Come and talk to us and see us live. We will share with you everything we know over a 2 hours period. If you happen to be a beginner and you're interested in Forex trading, we have a crazy good deal. $51 for 1 full day of Forex training. Get you started on the platform trading and the basics of Forex. What is a PEEP? How do you set up your trading platform? How do you choose a good broker and get started with a small little account, or demo account? If you like that, click on this link here. It's only $51 for 1 full day of trading on the 27th of August. So this is what I have for you. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I hope to talk to you again next week. And I wish you guys, great trading to next week, and let's profit.